What's going on, guys? Today is Thursday, June 18th. Market opens up in 4 minutes. This week has been pretty good in terms of trading. Super excited to see what's in stock for today. I looked on YouTube. Around 93% of you guys aren't subscribed. I know every YouTuber asks for it, but let me explain kind of what it means to me. I'm on a road to financial independence and financial freedom, and really every subscription is another step on my journey to financial freedom, and seeing a new subscriber really motivates me and makes me happy. And I do this all for you. I do this on my time for free and with my money, and all I ask in return is for you to hit that subscribe button. It takes 2 seconds, really nothing for you, but it really helps me out a lot. And like the video, because the YouTube algorithm actually picks up on it and recommends it to more people. But with that said, I really would appreciate any support, and I will see you when the market opens. By the way, I completely forgot. We got the Colombian natural coffee right here. It's by Edison Coffee Roasters. We'll do the quick coffee taste of the morning. It's very kind of milk chocolatey with a little sweet finish to it, but highly recommend. This is also a Fellow glass. Love Fellow, great company. I'll put the link in the description. But yeah, I'm gonna start doing coffee reviews every morning for the live day trading videos. Okie dokie, artichokey. The market's open. We'll see what wants to go down today. I'm not sure. For whatever reason, I can never find accurate information on Jerome Powell and his testimonies. So I know he's been testifying in front of Congress, but I don't know if he's still doing it, which is pretty frustrating because I want to, obviously, the more information, the better. So if anyone knows or finds good information or good sources related to kind of politics or government news, let me know, especially in relation to the stock market. Would love to see what you guys are looking at. But with that said, nothing too snazzy at the moment. We'll see what wants to happen. I'll pause here and resume once we hop in the trade. All right, I put an order to sell 5 shares short of Gilead, $73.99, to see if I can get a quick kind of scalp here. The stock's pretty extended. We'll see if I get a quick little fill here. And of course, I'll be looking just to cover it pretty quickly. High is 73.98, so I might have just missed it. Markets want to come down here. We'll see if I could. Okay, I got filled there. 5 shares short. See if it wants to kind of roll over at the 74 level. Market's Gilead's pretty extended. The market is coming down. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing really too much. Take a look at the kind of right corner of the screen. You can't see my cursor, but where it says on the right, kind of here, I'll move it up so you could take a look at what I'm looking at. This thing, the thing I'm moving up right here, this is called the level 2. On the left side, you have the buyers. Those are the people who want to buy the stock. On the right side, you have the sellers. Those are the people who are interested in selling the stock. And you can kind of get a sense and intuition of where the stock's going to go by reading that. And that's kind of coupled with the thing that's being printed constantly, the tape. That's kind of where you get an intuition of where the stock's going to go. And then you couple that with candlestick analysis, and you can kind of see, you get a further indication. So this is kind of a good candle right there. That's a candle of indecision, and that's typically an indication of a reversal of trend, that there was, instead of the trend continuing moving higher, there was kind of indecision and a flip side where the stock may want to turn over now. And you couple that with the stock has been pretty extended. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes of just constantly rising. There's bound to be some profit taking. So if there is, I'll stand to make some profit from it. Looking for a couple more cents. I want to see the sellers come under 73.85 here. So the charts need to flow together. So this is the 1 minute chart and this is the 5 minute chart. So I want to see a little bit more of a pull down on the 5 minute chart. and you wanna trade the chart kind of synthesis. Um, yeah, they're the same thing, right? They're both representations of the same thing, but you kind of just want them both to look good in unison. Um, and then you couple that. I mean, there's a bunch of factors. You couple that with the market. You couple that with historicals, what historically has happened with the pattern, stuff like that, and you kind of create a whole picture of your trade. If you have any questions of what I'm doing, or like suggestions or anything, comment them down below. I read everything, so let me know. I'll make videos on stuff if you want me to. Yeah. All right, I'm getting ready to take my partial here under 85. If it wants to come out here. Low, the 5-minute candle is around 84. If this new 1-minute candle doesn't make a new low, then I'm gonna just hop out of the position. But I want to see it sell off. Yeah, it looks like I'm going to hop out of the stock here shortly. It's just not doing what I want. We'll see if it could roll over still. Yeah, I'm just not doing what I want. Alright, I'm cutting it there. Alright, up 8 cents, not really doing what I want. But yeah, it happens. Alright, I'm gonna go look for another stock to trade. Alrighty, folks, I'm going to short the beloved Apple stock, the company on which I'm using my computer. But if you look at the VWAP, which you can't see on this screen, but that's just kind of an indicator in line. It's been trading below it while the market has been moving up. And initially, if you take a look, it tried to move up, came back down, and it couldn't, even while the market was moving up. And it can't kind of break over this VWAP line. I think it wants to come down. If you take a look at the daily, daily's pretty extended, and it's been trying to come down. So yeah, we'll see what wants to happen, but I think it's going to come down here, and if it does, I will make money. If it does not, I will lose money. Simple as that. All right, I'm going to take 5 shares. I can't even trade that. Oh, I can. Okay, I just took 5 shares short of NCLH, Norwegian Cruise Lines. It's pretty extended. I think it's bound for a little bit of a sell-off for people to take profit. So yeah, we'll see what it wants to do. Again, if it goes down, I make money. If it goes up, I lose money. Simple as can be. So yeah. Alrighty, NCLH kind of came down. I was on my phone trying to make an Instagram post for the coffee company I'm starting. Shout out Kayla Coffee and Tea Company. If you want to keep the Instagram down below. Made a quick little move. I might have missed it, but it still looks like it has some support at 1915, which it looks like it wants to come down. We'll see. Still pretty extended, but we'll see. Alrighty, the app position did not go my way, and as such, I'm going to have to cover the position. Boom. Alright, so I took a small loser, $4.47 on Apple. NCLH going against me as well, so today's not looking great, but we'll see if we can come salvage it back. Salvage it back, wow. Alright, I just took 15 shares short of 54 of AMD at 54.55. I think it wants to make a new low here. NCLH still kind of chilling. I haven't ordered a short 5 more shares at 19.49 or 19.51, something like that. But I think AMD wants to come down and make a new low. We'll see what wants to happen. Yeah. Look at the daily. Let me mark it up here. Daily looks like it's been wanting to come down for quite some time. Boom, right there. So, oh wow, okay. We'll see if it wants to make a new low. Looks like it's been wanting to. But yeah, nothing too clear in terms of stocks. Well, not choppy. I wouldn't say choppy, but I wouldn't say clear. Maybe maybe that's the definition of choppy. I don't know, but yeah, it's just nothing too clear, direct. Alrighty, here's NCLH. See if it wants to kind of break through that 1915 level. So the AMD short. It's kind of got that inverse, not the inverse, the head and shoulders pattern. So it should break under 1915, at which point I will look to take my first partial. Oh yeah, my only partial. Oh, there we go. Okay, first sign of a pull back. If it wants to come, if it wants to hold, came under for a second. Tricky little one there, huh? Should come back down. Okay. Oh, for a second. Alright, I'm getting out of AMD. I'm not doing what I want. Alright, I just covered AMD. 53-cent loser. Alright, I'm going to take my partial here on AMD. Still have 5 shares left short. Just going to kind of take shares off as it starts to pull back, but keep some on the table. Wants to go back for another round down. Market's moving higher, so is the stock, but AMD was still moving lower. That's going to be it for today's video. So I traded NCLH, took a small 53-cent loser, and glad I did in hindsight. And then I took the trade on Apple, which is the biggest loser, on $4.47. Just didn't go my way, but that's it for today's video. Again, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like it. I know people say it, but it actually does help out, like mechanically, because the YouTube algorithm picks up on it. Comment down below NCLH if you made it to this video, to this part of the video, and of course subscribe. But I do this all for you, and all I ask in return is for you to hit that button, because it's another step in my journey to financial freedom and independence. With that said, I will see you mañana on Friday.